Good morning, everyone. This is Source Codex, aka Jazz Fusion Guy, and this is a real quick little how to for making your own fun toys for young kids to play in the house or even out in the yard or in the driveway or whatever. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on pre-made toys, bag toss and all that. You can kind of come up with your own stuff. So we've got a bunch of kids coming over to our house for an ice cream social today with their parents. And we thought, geez, how boring for the kids just to sit around waiting for ice cream, then eat the ice cream, then sit around. So we bought them a bunch of things to have fun with, chalk to paint on the side driveway, sidewalk, and all that. But I thought about something else that would be fun. And I saw these. We went to the Dollar Tree, and here are what are called foam for silk flowers. And these are pretty sturdy. I mean, it's some of the hardest foam I've seen. So when I saw these, I thought, that looks like a game. So I went over to another area in Dollar Tree, and they've got playground cone set, 2 pieces, ages 3 and up. And these cones can be easily affixed to a piece of wood, just like I've done here. Little fingers are not going to get hurt. This is nice, smooth setup. And I'm not going to go through affixing this one here. But let's give this a quick test and see if it's going to be a toy that might present some fun for little kids. So I've got my 3 rings here. We'll give it a toss. Well, I missed that one, but that's all part of the challenge of the game. So here we go. And I missed that one. But you get the idea. For relatively no real investment, I mean, we're talking scrap pieces of wood that you might find around the house. If you really want to be lazy, you could get a really long nail and nail this into the ground, and that would hold it in place. But for the 2 green rings, we're looking at $1.25. Yes, due to Bidenomics, the dollar store is no longer selling stuff for $1. Everything's $1.25. And 2 of these cones, same price, $1.25. For the grand total of $2.50 plus tax to Uncle Sam, you've got yourself a nice toy. And I think the kids will probably say, never seen this toy before. Hours and hours of fun. I love it. And I went ahead and made 2 of them because we've got 2 boys about the same age coming. And they will, of course, compete against each other for victory. So there you go. Simple toy idea. What kind of tools you're going to need? Well, get you some wood screws, flat Phillips, number 8 by 1/2 inch. Get yourself, have a nice cordless drill to do it in. Put them in fast. But if you don't have that, you can do something simple like have you a sharp implement to get a hammer and nail to get your hole started, and then just go old school, screw them in with that, and there you go. Toys for fun all day long. Source Codex signing off. Have fun. Be creative. Ciao.